Well, hello there, friends. We're making hot chocolate. Fantastic hot chocolate. I put a little Baileys in there. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Stay tuned, friends. We're making it right now together. Okay, friends, real simple. You know, last year I did the eggnog, and this year I'm doing hot chocolate. Bailey's hot chocolate. All right, very simple, friends. I got milk. I got 6 ounces of milk and 2 ounces of cream. I'm going to make 2 6-ounce glass, so you can play with the measurement. I got a tablespoon of cocoa powder. That's going to give us some, that's an unsweetened cocoa powder. That is going to give us some really a nice chocolate flavor and a nice dark color. Otherwise, it'll be too milky, if you will. Then I got 2 ounces of dark chocolate. I use a 70% cocoa powder chocolate, so it's very. It's not very sweet, very high quality. If you can get it, if you can't, just get whatever chocolate you can get, my friends, okay? Don't stress. This is easy, hot chocolate. I love it, especially with booze in it. And if you make it with the kids, you can put a little extra. They go to bed early. That's what my mom used to do. I'm telling you, it's true. So look, the sugar is really up to you. I put 2 tablespoons of sugar, one for each one of them. But that's really, however you want to do it. So let me tell you something, but you all know this, but for those of you that have been watching the channel, you all know this. It's all about the texture. I have to bring up the texture because if it's too liquid, it goes right through the tongue. I want it to stay on my tongue a little bit longer. So it's like a soup, it's like a sauce. It's got to have the right texture. If it doesn't have the right texture, you can't test it. I want it to stay on the tongue. Remember, it's all about the tongue. So what do? Put a little cornstarch. I got a little, 2 more ounces of milk, and I'm going to dilute the cornstarch, and I'm going to put it in. The cornstarch, friends, is going to give us better texture. I promise you. All of a sudden, I end up with a small whisk. How do I do that? You know, too small. Size matter when it comes to whisk, okay? So, now, what else do we put in there, friends? Okay? Now, we got to bring it up. We got to bring it to boil. The cornstarch, otherwise it doesn't work, right? A pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Like you don't even know it's in there. That's for the je ne sais quoi. Okay? People wonder, what the hell is a je ne sais quoi? It's, I don't know if they're going to say that, but je ne sais quoi means I don't know. Is a ne sais quoi. It's like a something. Anyway, I love my life. Look, friends, Tahitian vanilla. I like, be careful. You notice I measure. Otherwise I put too much. A teaspoon per person. Put whatever you want. Put a little more, a little less. It doesn't matter. Now, okay. I wanted to show you sugar. You know what I do every time I use the vanilla bean, friends? I save it in this container and I put sugar on it. Vanilla sugar. It's amazing. Don't ever throw it away when you use the vanilla bean. I wanted to show you that. I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon, friends. And I mean a little bit. You know, cinnamon, I love cinnamon, but I love it in the background. I did a video when I said I don't like cinnamon. I don't like too much cinnamon. I like it very, very little. I'll show you. I like it so little, then you can almost not know it's in there. You know in the back. It's because cinnamon, it could be too much cinnamon. Look, a little cinnamon I'm going to put in there. And that's going to be just enough. It'll be in the back. It'll be there, trust me. Now, if you like more cinnamon, put more cinnamon. But I promise you, try it like this, friends. And you're going to like it just like this. All right, that's it. Mamma mia. I almost forgot to put the Baileys. I usually, Baileys or Kahlua. Baileys is, I think, better. You notice I put a tablespoon of per person. 1 tablespoon per person. There you go. Measure carefully, 1 tablespoon per person. There you go. And, and then mix it up really good. I want to show you. You're going to love it. You watch, friends. I got to mix it up really good now. Let me turn the heat off. It's very important that I mix it up. So now, Like I said, the texture, matter of opinion. I want to show you. I want to show you. I want to show you. Let me get a ladle, friends. Let me get a ladle. Look, look, look. Look at the texture, friends. You see what I mean? You see what I mean, friends? It's not watery anymore. And it's all about the texture. It's all about how long it stays on that tongue. I'm telling you, look, look, look. You see? Not gorgeous? So now, friends, we're going to put this over here. We're going to try not to make... Oh, boy, that could be something, right? Let's see. A little bit right there. Whoop. Okay, hold on. We're not finished. A little bit right there. Oh, I have just a little bit left. Wow, I did pretty good. Measurement-wise. I should do this for a living. Look, 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 look. That's perfect. I mean, I could get a spatula and get most of it out. But then, see, I want it to be even. I'll have it. I'll have to lick it. This is... Okay, now what do we do, friends? We could serve it like that, but you know what? I made some Bailey's whipped cream. Bailey's whipped cream. You want to know what the hell? What is the Bailey whipped cream? It's a whipped cream with a little Bailey's to it. At the end, you add just a little bit of sugar, a little bit of Bailey's right there, right? And we're gonna turn it and we're gonna put it on there, just like this, just like this. Yes, you see. And then you take that whipped cream, friends, and then you put it on. And you go with a spoon and you put your whipped cream in there, and then I take a little bit of a cocoa powder, very little, no cinnamon. I mean, you can put cinnamon if you want, but too much. Look, just a little bit here, friends. A little bit right there. You see? Look. You see? Less is more. You see, my friends? What do you think? I think it's beautiful. Now, you can put a little cinnamon stick if you want it here, but I think just like this is good enough. What do you think? You like it? I think it's gorgeous. Now, gorgeous is one thing. Does it taste good? Does it taste good? I gotta take a smaller spoon because I'm gonna have some all over myself. Does it taste good? Is the Pope Catholic? Yeah, I think so. Oh, mamma mia. Look at this, friends. You're gonna take it right there. Look at this. Look at it. Do you think it's gonna be good? Huh. Oh, baby. This is this is amazing, okay? Oh, I made a mess. Friends, I'll drink it after the cameras are off. Friends, I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Friends, the recipe will be right underneath. Remember, show more, click on it, and you'll see the recipe, or you can get it on our website at chefjp or chefjeanpierre.com. All the free recipe are there. Enjoy, friends.